John Anderson is a world builder. Anderson's job is to translate Alaska EPSCoR sensor and survey data into interactive virtual environments, beginning with test sites of Tustumena Lake and the Russian River on the Kenai Peninsula.
Typically, we'll take LiDAR data sets and digital elevation models and start to overlay those and start to create the topology of a landscape first. That's the lower level. Then we essentially will then take that topology, look at vegetation cover, maps, start to try and analyze and quantify what the landscape looks like, and then we'll actually develop what we call intelligent assets.
In this case, the assets are salmon. Anderson can manipulate the natural aspects of the environment, changing weather, sediment loads, and other factors, and the salmon will respond. The next step is to incorporate human activity and development.
So as we start to, let's say, move closer to a body of water, like a lake, we love the amenities of the lake, but the whole transplanting and the movement of people into that location oftentimes can displace and change that environment.
The idea is to enable residents and land managers to be able to view the consequences of their decisions in a virtual environment.
There's lots of statistics we can show people saying what the alternatives is, but it's very difficult for people to put their minds and actually virtualize or perceive change into the future without taking them into a spatial environment that we're used to.
The other aspect of the virtual world is SimSalmon, in which the user can actually pilot a salmon through the waterscape.
Taking the point of view of a salmon, however, starts to hopefully also educate humans to how would we respond? What's a healthy environment if I was a salmon? If I change my avatar into the perception of another living species, what would I want that environment to be for my own personal survival? So it takes us out of the human form and into a salmon form to start to see what is a healthy habitat for my new people, my new community, and that new community is the salmon.